Hi guys, you know how it is when your smartphone dies? Yeah. Every day for years and years you've been using it. It's never let you down. And then one day, you get up and you're greeted with a black screen. It doesn't charge, doesn't come on. This is some Chinese garbage, black view. But it's the same for any smartphone. They're all designed to fail. So, I've got a way that you can fix any smartphone. Any smartphone. From any manufacturer. Apple, LG, Samsung, Huawei, or any other of the Chinese garbage ones. And this is how you do it. You throw it on the ground, like so, and you whack it as hard as you can with a hammer. There, that's fixed it, and I feel so much better.